Hello, starting off with a shot in our conservatory today. It's lovely and warm in here, not too hot, when you can see Rose's toys in the background. Anyway, I'd like to join me in the garden. Let's go. I've got Mischief as my glamorous assistant today. Having a good sniff round. Right, so a little while ago I planted some Inca berries and I had one come up, this one, and for a long time nothing else came up, and I thought, oh, I've only got one plant coming up, well that's okay, that'll do. And I just didn't have time to do anything with it, so I just left it in the tray, and then all of a sudden lots have come up. These are also known as Cape gooseberries. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop this on, and I'm going to try and set up the camera so that you can see how I do it. Okay, now what we're going to do is just going to dig out the roots, this one very gently. Try not to break any roots. Can you see, Rose? Yeah. Rose is being my camera person. And is that all right there, that pot? Lovely. Now you can see I'm holding it by the leaf, not by the stem. And if you break a leaf, that's okay. But if you break the stem, the plant's dead. Now here, can you see these two leaves on the camera, Rose?
Yeah.
Yeah? These are the seed leaves. So I'm going to bury it up to the seed leaves. Just push it that way a little bit, make it stand up straight. And then we're going to give it a drink. And that's the Inca berry popped on. And there they are over there, back on the table. And our little pot there. I've potted on the globe artichokes. That's these three pots there. And I've also done some more tomatoes today. I had this little one left in the tray and I thought, well, I want the tray back, so I've potted it on and hopefully it'll be okay. I've also got this tomato I've potted on, and the two at the back. Those two are the Marmande ones, and as you can see they're a bit darker and the leaf is slightly different shape. Now there's something Rose has been very excited about. Let's show you. Okay, Rose, what are you excited about?
Our watermelon. Every one of them has come up. That one is the most recent one.
Wow, look at those. How many in total are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. That's a good job we like watermelon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we're going to have loads.
This is just watermelon for me, though.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Well, aren't we lucky?
Yeah.
Now let's see what else. Ah, I know what else we can show everybody. Wow, look. This is our glass gem corn coming up. It's just on our windowsill. We've got the blinds down at the minute because it was getting too hot in here. But we've had a few cool days, so I think I'll pop the blinds up again. So yeah, we are so excited to be growing these. Can't wait to see the end product on these. Stay tuned to our channel so you can see what we get. I'd like to show you our chives just coming into flower. You can eat the flowers when they come. Our poor chives get a bit neglected there. The dried bits are from when we had that hot spell a little while ago and it all got a bit droopy, but it really does perk up chives. Quite hard to kill. Even I can't kill chives, and I'm not the best with herbs. I need to find some other recipes to use them in other than every now and again just coming up, snipping some and putting them in some cheese scones. And I'm just going to give you a quick show around our little greenhouse and then I'll wrap it up for today. Here we go. What I really wanted to do was show you all our lovely French beans. These have, the ones at the back have been in here for nearly a week, and these ones at the front I've just popped in here today, potted some on from the trays that they were in, so they're all doing really well. Yummy. Keep growing, my lovelies. Do you talk to your plants? I think it's rude not to, really. And there's my lovely freesias coming on, and I think there's a little green shoot coming there. Kale's doing well with the single tomato that's left in there. They seem to be friends. And I've got some onions here that desperately need to go out. But there we have it. And just to leave you on a nice shot, I'll come back to our apple blossom. It's so pretty. So, after the mammoth video I put up the other day, well done if you got through that. Here's a short one for you today. Do say hello, and hope you're all well, taking care of each other, as usual. Seems odd to say it every couple of days, but when you hear so many people are being unwell, you really hope that as many people as possible are staying safe. So that's all from me today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.